Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today one of the customer he called me his tabletop chiller. This tabletop chiller no power. So after I came, then I have checked no power. Okay, this is the plug is on but no power. Then they change the fuse also. Then same things. When they change fuse, then same time it's burn. So what is the reason? Let me check. When I check, I found water on the table. See, there is water. So in this side also there was water, and all of the water drop on this temperature meter. That's why this temperature meter has burned. So this is spoiled because water has gone inside, it has burned. So need to change this temperature meter. So before I change the temperature, I take picture. So dear bears, I have changed the temperature meter. Then let's see. Turn it on. You have changed. So for water it has burned. So I have spoke to the owner. I said I'll not put it here, I'll put by plastic, one of the plastic, I'll put it inside. So when you use next time, then water will not drop on the temperature meter. So they agree. That's why I have kept it there. So when they work, they cut fish, then water will not drop on the temperature meter. And they said okay. So dear viewers, thank you for watching this video. So it was problem only for temperature meter. Now it's working fine. He is the owner. Then I told him I kept it inside. They said okay. He said okay. Then thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.